Hello friends, and welcome to the
Gregory Boys Homestead Channel.
So we've got a question for you. Do you have chickens?
Yes.
Do you get tired of going out there and feeding them every morning?
Yes.
Do you get tired of having to wipe the chicken poop off your feet when you go in there to feed them?
Yes.
Are you tired of seeing your chickens waste the chicken feed as you pour it in the pan and they spread it everywhere in the mud?
Yes.
Like this right here, where you pour it in the pan and then they just get in there and kick it out everywhere. Come on, girls, why you gotta be wasting all that food for? Oh, well, now you tell me. Well, we've got a solution for you.
Wow.
So we bought this kit off Amazon. Let us know if you want a link to it. Little chicken feeders. Little chicken feeders. So they stick their head in here. Let me get a close up of this. They stick their head in there.
Hey, can I try?
And then the bottom, they can come in and you see my finger down there? They stick their head in. Okay, yeah. Go ahead and stick your head in there. How delicious is that chicken feed? Here we are, we're back. They stick their head in and then they get to the chicken feed that's in the bottom. Now, so we've got not one, not two, not three, but we've got 6 of these things. We've got 6 of these things in here. This kit came with a drill bit also. So we're gonna go big time with this. So what we got is a 45-gallon trash can. This trash can right here is 45 gallons. It will fit 350 pounds worth of chicken feed. 350 pounds worth of chicken feed. As the lid completely breaks off because, well, my kid's a wild animal. Okay, it's back on. This does snap into place. So if you've got this just sitting in your chicken coop, it's amazing because it gives the chickens something to poop on. And if you have chickens, you know chickens love to poop on stuff. You ever see these people on like the chicken Facebook pages or the social media pages and they're like, oh, look at my amazing new beautiful coop that my husband built for me. Those chicken coops are darn nice looking. What you never see is a picture of those chicken coops a month later where they are totally covered in number 2. If you have chickens, you know what I'm talking about. There are 2 things chickens love to do. 1 is eat everything in sight. 2 is poop on everything that they did not eat. Sometimes they poop on what they eat before they eat it. I don't know, ask a chicken. So I'm gonna show you how we're gonna go ahead and turn this 45-gallon trash can into a 6-head chicken feeder. So right here is our chicken kit, our chicken feeder kit. We got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6. If you want a link to this, where we got it, we found it on Amazon, but if you want a link to it, we found a really affordable one. And this one actually comes with a drill bit that is perfect for it's a perfect size for these things, and comes with gaskets. It comes with a cap to each one. I don't know why you would want to cap it off. And this one actually comes with automatic waterers. So if you want to turn a 45-gallon bucket or trash can into a 45-gallon water tank, it comes with waterers. So what we're going to do is take this drill bit, stick it on this drill. Then I'm going to have my lovely assistant, my handsome assistant, take off the gasket O-ring. He's going to twist it off. Dun, 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 dun. All right, so we're going to get this. We're going to come over here to our trash can.
Outline the fins?
Nope, I'm just going to use it as a spacer. We're going to come over about right there. Actually, let's get another one. So here we go. We got another one. We're just gonna stick these here about maybe just a thumb. Let's stick a thumb between those. All right.
What is chicken?
So there they are. We're gonna use our we have about a thumb between them. We're gonna take our handy dandy drill and we are just going to drill right there above it so that chickens will have that much room to go down below where you see the orange circles to stick their head down in there and get the feed in the bottom. So I'm gonna do 2 here on this side. I'm gonna do 2 here on this side. And I'm gonna do 2 here on this side. And you can see I have it kind of in the center so that let me see that, buddy. So when I stick the ones in the side, they won't interfere with the ones in the center. And the ones in the center won't interfere with the ones on the side. You can see there that it's going to fit. When I stick this ring to the outside, that's how much room we have in between it. So let's go ahead and get these holes drilled. And as I drill my last hole here, I just want to take a second to point out to take off all these little plastic fuzzies because your chickens, I don't know about your chickens, but my chickens will eat it. If it is little and it looks like it might be food, they will eat it to find out if it is food. And I just don't want to have any plastic in my chickens, my egg producing chickens, and even if I cook a chicken. Last thing I want is to be eating plastic when I fricassee up my chicken, my barbecue chicken. Just like that chicken right there. So next we have our 3 parts right here. We have the feeder head, we have the tightener downer, we have the gasket. So I'm gonna stick this down in the hole, and my little chicken right here is gonna slide this gasket over it. So it'll slide over and kind of hold it right there. And then you have the threads here. And this is going to, you see the lip. So the lip is gonna go up against the gasket, and my chicken is going to spin that and make it tight inside the trash can hole. All right, Mr. Chicken, are you ready? Okay, check out our compost pile. That is entirely chicken poop right there. This is off the side topic, but if you want to know how we make some of our compost, well, the majority of our compost, we will make a video about that. Let us know. That is all chicken dookie. High in nitrogen. All right, you ready, Mr. Chicken? Okay, so I'm gonna take this, I'm gonna slide it down in the hole, like so. Mr. Chicken, you crawl in there, go ahead, put the gasket on, and then screw it together. I can see you kind of in there. Will it go tighter? Oh, you put it on upside down, buddy. You got to have the rim up against the white gasket. No, the white gasket is good, but you got to spin the thing around. The wash. Okay, look how it has the big lip on the bottom right there.
Oh.
Put the lip on the top. Good. Make it as tight as you can. Cool. So there we have it. That is in place. How? So tell me, Mr. Chicken, was it hard to spin on? It was. Was it hard? I had a video of you and it didn't look like it was too hard. So a 10-year-old can do this. All right, Mr. Chicken. So we're gonna go through and we're gonna do the other 5. And there we have it. 2 on that side, 2 on this side, and 2 on this side. So go ahead and stand it up, Mr. Chicken. That is pretty low. So I think we're gonna stick it on top of a couple bricks in the chicken run. You wanna give it a try? Let's go get it set up. And there's all the girls. They just saw me set this up. I'm wondering if I walk away from it. Go ahead, check it out. There ain't no food in there yet. I'm wondering if they're gonna stick their head in there. Come on. I think the bright orange color is to attract them. And we have our first girl up on top of it. I know what she's thinking. She's like, woo, I'm glad I had a bite to eat earlier today because I cannot wait to take a dump on this, whatever it is. Ain't that right, Cheetah? Ain't that right, Cheetah? You came here, you came, you saw, you took a dump on it. Well, aside from Cheetah getting up top of here and walking around, none of them have stuck their head in. So I'm gonna go ahead and stick in 50 pounds worth of chicken feed and see if maybe that helps. Oh, it's so dusty. It's so dusty. Girls, it's so dusty. I can see chicken feed. There's chicken feed down in there. It's a little blurry. There we go. I can see chicken feed. I can see chicken feed. And I can see chicken feed. Come on, girls. What do you think now? Oh, snap. One of the girls, there's a fight in the hen house. Come on. Come on. Can you see chicken feed? Can you see chicken feed in there? I know you can smell it. Oh, snap. It's about to go down. They are curious. Come on. I know you can do it. I know you can do it. Let me go over here. See if one of these girls over here is getting brave. Come on. Oh yeah. It happened. What? Oh yeah, it's going down. Oh snap. They work. Come on, girls. Get you some. Get you some. Well, that one just took. This one over here took one out just to stick it on the ground. Oh yeah. Oh yeah. You know what this means? Do you know what this means? This means I could put 350 pounds worth of feed in that trash can right there and not have to get up in the morning and come out here and feed them. I'm gonna make another one. I'm gonna make another one. Right now, I'm gonna make another one. Well, we're about 10 minutes into this, just standing out here watching. And as luck would have it, sure enough, they are pulling out the chicken feed and it's falling down on the ground. I mean, it's nowhere near as much as what was wasted before. Oh. Nowhere near what was wasted before, and some of them are coming up and then picking it off the ground while the other ones are sticking their head in and dragging some out. So I think it's going to work. I'm going to go ahead and load up another 6 bags in there to make 350 pounds. Well, I feel a little silly. Rather than going back and re-recording this entire video, I'm just going to make an edit right here. A retraction, what's the correct word there I'm looking for? But it does not hold 350 pounds, holds 250 pounds. 45-gallon trash can holds 45-gallon trash can holds 250 pounds worth of chicken pellets. Right there it is. She's totally full. So I don't know why I thought it was 350 pounds, but it's not. It's 250 pounds. 5 bags of 50-pound feed. And as you see right there, She's totally full. This is just I picked this up at Lowe's. Forget how much I paid for it, but with prices, you know, it changes. Who knows when you'll see this video. So 45-gallon trash can, really thin plastic even, actually. Seems to be holding up. The sides aren't buckling out. It's doing all right. I've been using these outside actually to hold my other chicken feed, to bring it in here to dump in their pans. That one over there and this pan underneath here. I put this one underneath there because the water was over top of it and it prevented them from scratching it out. Then I got some more chickens because, you know, chicken math, and they're scratching that out all over the place. So now the trick is to figure out a way to get enough water in here so I don't have to come out here and water them constantly. As soon as I figure that out, I can go on vacation. I can go places again. I don't have to come out here every dang day, feed these chickens, water these chickens, or have to trust somebody to come and feed these chickens and water these chickens. I can just go somewhere because they got 250 pounds worth of feed. Not 350, 250 pounds. What do you think, girls? What do you think, girls? Go ahead and stick your head up in there. Go ahead and stick your head up in there. Go ahead, girl. Go ahead, get down. Go ahead, girl. Go ahead, get down. That's good chicken feed. I knew it was going to happen. It's just what they do. This is a flash forward about 45 minutes into the future. Oh! Was that you? Was that you? Are you proud of what you done did? And it's a biggin. Oh, it's a biggin. So, as usual, I'm going to end this video with some words of wisdom from my late father. Dad is what I call him. I never called him father. Dad. Anyway, here he is. What do you think about that, Dad?
I think some hillbilly shit.